You know what we do. We taking over Rose and Lauren's vlog. Roxy, we the best. Hi guys, good morning. You know who it is? It's your girl Roxy. You know what we doing. We taking over Rose and Lauren's vlog like we do every day. Anyhow guys, so hope you guys might like my attire. I'm wearing pajamas. By the way, I'm always wearing pajamas if you don't know. But anyhow, so we're going back to the assessment center that I went to the last time through my academical upgrade. So we're going back there because they wanted to talk to me about something. So yeah, we're going there to do that. So enjoy the journey with your girl. What else do I have? It must be guys. So once you do this, they give you this for your academic upgrade on it. And they give you this. So I'm finished now. So they wanted to just discuss something to me about the 4 other assessments that I'm going to do to add to my qualification that I already came here with. And then for going in the car, for joining their academic upgrade program, they gave me a bunch of free stuff, which is pretty cool. Now onwards and upwards to our next part. Isn't that cool? That's why I like Canada. And they give you lots of free things. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what the stuff that I got for me doing my academic upgrade here. Anyhow, so I got a lip balm and mints. I got a thumb drive to store stuff on. I got a speaker, so I can listen to, but I already have a speaker still, but I got this one with the name on the college on it. And headphones, which is pretty cool. And a book. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, so I went for that today to do my academical upgrade. Just to add some more stuff. So Canadian points on my thing that I already brought from Jamaica. So that's pretty cool. Anyhow, so that's all for today, folks. Oh, by the way, you guys like the matching pajama? You guys be like, Roxy, we've seen you in this already. I know, but I don't know if you guys like it. Anyhow, talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so today I drove my car. This is my second time driving my car, to be honest with you. I drove it one time with Ed a couple of long months ago, and then this was my second time I drive my car. But anyway, Ed is driving now. The video will show you that I was driving my car. Ursula is right though. My car is smooth to drive, but again, I'm not familiar with it. So because I'm not familiar with it, I like to practice with the cars before I take off. So I'm not familiar with it, so I don't want to drive it too much. But yeah. Anyhow, I'm calling Oxar. Anyway guys, Anibera is driving. I'm going to change this lotto ticket for a new lotto ticket because this one gives me a free ticket. So that's what we are doing. Yeah, so I'm being his co-driver. I'm in the passenger seat. Anyhow guys, so I'm going on the road today. We're gonna go have breakfast outside because I'm saying yay, because we're gonna be leaving to go to Jamaica soon, and Honey Bear is gonna be leaving to go back to work. So based on that, he wanted to treat us to breakfast. And I'll show you guys also what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna be fixing back redoing my hair and everything because we going back to Jamaica. Rolly's restaurant now. So yeah, we're having breakfast here. Nice weather outside.
Yeah, we never see on the TV. It was when I just I came here already?
Yes, me carry you, remember?
There,
yeah, me carry you. Yeah, so I roll this restaurant. We're having a breakfast. And here it is. Guys, I like going out whenever we can. I still didn't even get to go to Kirkland Lake to go to the skating ring. I wanted to do that, but whatever. The season's over anyhow.
Alright guys, so we're getting breakfast at a restaurant this morning. And it's a restaurant that we came to in a previous vlog that you're gonna see probably this week. That vlog will show it. So this is later on. So we returned to this restaurant. It's morning, I woke up, I brushed my teeth, and basically I'm here. Treat me out.
You just thought the food was bad.
No, they didn't treat me out. They didn't keep me out. you know the Chinese food, the awful ever eaten.
Only thing I say about Canadian restaurants, they always go above and beyond. I asked her a cup of hot water. I was given a glass hot water, so glass would break with hot water, and these are cups. But you know, they always go above and beyond.
All of you guys are loud. So black of you to be so loud.
So black of him to be loud.
Yes.
So what you're saying? Black people are loud?
Apparently, you guys are so loud. I have realized how loud you guys are.
Already not black people are loud by this
The
racist,
place is literally quiet.
by this racist white chocolate girl.
It's outrageous or whatever.
This racist white chocolate girl say black people are
I
loud.
know you don't care.
So we don't deal with white chocolate people.
It's not being white. It's being...
I love you. I love you so much, baby.
Why you calling him my name? I'm so embarrassed.
This is the breakfast.
You said I want that.
It was not gonna ever want. Anyhow, so guys, we're having our breakfast now. This is it. So we're gonna have that, and then
Or some ketchup. You see it?
Yeah, thank you.
Still okay on drinks there?
That's all.
Did I get extra bacon?
What's that, sir? Oh, yeah, I think she's making it right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sure,
I'll go
water,
double
a
check.
glass of water.
Glass of water?
Regular water.
anyhow, so yeah, so eggs breakfast.
What you thought was going to do?
Well, the home fries I thought were actually going to be, you know how I make them at home? That's what I thought they were going to be.
Well, people make their thing differently. This is a restaurant. They don't make it like you made it at home.
Well, that's what home fries are. That's something usually made, but whatever.
No, why you having ketchup on?
That's what I ketchup.
Oh, the bacon is actually in it. I thought we had it separated.
No,
It's
mine,
not
well, I
in
got
yours.
bacon on the side too.
And
Oh,
not
so
in
it's
yours.
not there,
It's
so.
two different things. Anyhow, so yeah, this is our breakfast, guys. We're gonna eat this, and then I'll talk to you guys when we're on our way back. Hello, guys. So I'm here to show y'all. Hope you guys can see that I'm packed and I am ready to go. There's some stuff I'm gonna do tomorrow though. So I need to wake up early tomorrow. I'll probably wake up early. I need to change the bed sheet. That's importante. So that when I come back, I have clean bed sheet to sleep on. So, oh, and my little sister redid my hair for me so it doesn't look too atrocious. Yeah. So, yeah. So those are what we have done and everything. And pretty much, I'm doing laundry right now as well. Because I need to, just to make sure I pack up all my other clothes. So I don't have things, dirty stuff leaving out. Because I'm going to sweep and clean this room out. And change the bed sheet and all that part. So when, you know, I have clean bed sheet tomorrow, everything is nice and clean. Yeah, so that's what I'm pretty gonna be doing. And spread it out tomorrow and left everything nice. Anyhow, it's me. It's your girl. It's Roxy. You know what we're doing. What we do? We taking over Rose and Lawrence like we do every day. Anyhow, so yeah, Rochelle is there. She's doing something for her wig because she's gonna put that back on. And everything is going into the backyard now though. So yeah. And so this is one of the final meals until I go to Jamaica. So this is my dinner today. And I'll show you what's my dinner for tomorrow. My husband here is eating right out of the pot.
There's only a little bit left, so not.
Guys, good morning. I had breakfast already, but I'm preparing right now because it's evening time. Preparing for the dinner that I'm making because today is the day that I travel. Me and my sister, we travel on the plane to Jamaica. So we're going to have our early dinner today. Normally we have dinner around 6, 7 o'clock. But today we're going to have it earlier because we are going to be taking a plane. So yeah, preparing that. You guys be on the journey with me, okay? Hey guys. So I'm going to do my makeup. Well, not my makeup really. I'm just going to do my eyebrows really because that's all I'm going to do. I don't really want to have a full face anything, especially since it's going to be a sleepover. But what I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be changing the bed sheet because I like leaving the house with a clean bed sheet. So I'm going to be doing that. But anyway, let's do the eyebrows, okay? Alright guys, so as you can see, I just finished my eyebrows. That's all I wanted to do. I never can seem to get them to be accurate. One brighter than the next one. But, ooh, I just don't like it. Oh my god. I know, I never can get them to be accurate. One's always seem to be brighter than the next one whenever I do it. Anyhow, so I just did my eyebrows. I really don't like this one. Why are you so bright? god, guys. Can't even come out. I think I have more eyebrows, but that's alright. Anyhow, yeah, so I just did my eyebrows. Now I am changing the bed sheet because, as I said earlier, I like to have a clean bed sheet. So we are changing that. You guys gonna see that, okay? Alright guys, so now I strip the bed, so I'm gonna put on my first section here. Y'all. Yeah. As usual, my bed is finished. Rochelle says my color scheme turn up till it's fine. I'm like, wait a minute. She's like, so much color. I'm like, yeah, it's supposed to match. It's the light grays match the dark gray plus the white. Except for my pink, but you know I love my cheetah pillow, so that goes there no matter what. Entire bedroom scheme matches my chair here. This is my Easter Sunday dinner. Am I talking to you?
No, but we gotta leave in 25 minutes now.
Alright, so we're gonna be leaving. So we're worrying about. I'm gonna talk about my stuff. That person over there is annoying me, but yeah. Yum yum time. So I just finished eating. That was good. Alright, so now we're gonna go get dressed. Alright guys, so I want to show you the fit. So this is my outfit. I guess my shirt is shorter than I thought it would be, but it's fine. I look cute. So this is the fit, you guys. For Jamaica. Rochelle says I look like a cheerleader. But anyhow, this is the Jamaica fit. Anyhow, we'll see you guys. Guys, so we are on our way now to go to the airport. It's very, very early. I didn't want to leave out this early, but Honey Bear is like annoying me. So the Wi-Fi was up. From the hotel Wi-Fi.
Nice bright yellow.
There we go. Rochelle, she looks cute. She looks like she just came in. My husband, they're driving. He's just so cute today. And he's excited about going back to work soon. Yeah.
No.
You're not excited to get excited about going back to work.
I mean, it gives me something to do.
Oh, you want to steal my angle with my...
That's part of the job. Someday you get paid. That's pretty much it.
Oh my god.
The joint won't last very long.
Guys, so I'm in the car now.
I see website for details.
Alright guys, so we are going to be boarding our first plane. And then after that we will board a second. But this we went through customs and everything already. I think Rochelle, I can just borrow a piece of Rochelle video on that part. But anyhow, yeah, so I'm trying to lock back up our bag a little bit. Yeah. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see, but she rushed out already. She's right there. You're gonna see her going up.
Have fun, guys.
See her? That's her there in the white. Alright guys, so I'm boarding my first plane, that one over there. So I'm boarding that plane now. So you guys get to see that. Alright guys, so we're on the plane now. We are chilling and everything. We heard that the plane is completely full. So that's what we heard. But we're on the plane now.
I'll cover all of us on the plane. Because of a safe travel and go to our destination safely. Amen.
That's right. That's fine. So guys, Rochelle did not eat any dinner. So that's why she's eating the chips that she said she was going to eat in Toronto. Because she didn't eat any dinner.
When I was on flight, I never get.
So we're on the escalator going up.
You can see how good I'm back.
No. house and then I'll figure everything else.
We can fly out tomorrow.
Let's go. Come over there. What is that? Find old terminal
I'll
line.
fly out tomorrow. We're leaving at 10. You can get up early and go look. Well, no.
Like, I'm gonna have to shop the terminal, shop me the sleep all this part, you know.
Where's the food?
I don't know, we can do what I can food.
No, there's a section.
We're gonna find. Alright. Guys, right now the sun is like peeking in her face, but Rochelle says, "Ooh, Rochelle looks so cute." Rochelle said the sunlight is good light. I don't know. That's what she said. I say I'm gonna put on my selfie light. Oh, it make my face look bright. Fun. Charge. It goes on battery.
That wouldn't help us at night, that's true.
Anyhow, so yeah, so we're waiting at the airport. We're gonna wait here for 1 million hours.
We're gonna sleep here.
Yeah, for 1 million hours.
She's prepared. She has her blanket, show them. Oh, this is Roxy's vlog, by the way. She has her blanket. And I said I would have brought,
Pillow.
but because I'm having an issue, I'm not remembering stuff.
American Express.
I
This is
decide,
Black America.
yeah, I decide I would just travel lightly. But no, I regret it because in the night then,
No, she regret it because well,
in the night I would not have a blanket.
and it's probably not cool because the place warm. You shouldn't even wear this. But there, I'm actually warm. I keep that anyhow. But I should not wear this.
Yeah, no blanket for me.
Yeah, probably warm.
No, I leave my face on the thing.
Oh.
I'm a bug white.
And the guys have a pillow, so I'm gonna lie down on my pillow.
We're prepared.
But she said she'd have a black. I don't know what happened.
This
She
is
forgot.
I travel light. No, mama, since I'm before I'm from the bed. So I travel light because I don't want to leave nothing.
Anyhow, you know who it is, you know what we're doing. We are going to Jamaica. So, yeah, and it's your girl Roxy.
We're long. We're not get a full airport vlog because we're there.
But now I do all of that. Guys, it's night now at the airport, so I'm going to show you guys what it's like at night.
Show them outside.
So I'm going to show you outside. Look at it, guys. It's night. Changing position from where we were. So from where to where to where the kids zone. Where is it again? Oh, right there. Nemo. So that's where we're walking going now. Watch TV.
Should I press the camera?
This is where we're going to go. Go in here, go watch TV. Guys, we're trying to go to the spot, the part that has a theater section in it. Well, we had to turn back because in there was what I thought it was empty because when I was passing by, I saw that it was empty. But I guess people went in there. Well, she said she saw it empty, but it's what it is. So we're just counting down the hours. So guys, I'm getting ready to go to sleep. But Rochelle is gonna stay up all night and watch our packs and stuff. That Rochelle right there. But I'm getting ready to go to sleep because yeah, I can't stay up all night. But yeah, that's what it is. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. So guys, it's morning. Couple hours more to go, and then we get on that flight, and then we're home sweet home. I don't know if Rochelle didn't get any sleep, but I got a nap. I'll do the rest of my sleeping on the flight. But yeah, why she didn't get no sleep? Because she was up watching things. I told her I went back to sleep then. So yeah, we're gonna go to the washroom now, clear herself, brush her teeth, and then we're good. All right. So guys, we just finished freshening up and now we're leaving here because we're gonna go. I'm gonna get something to eat and then we go try and find what we're supposed to be at. You alright? See, we just came from the washroom. So now we're gonna find somewhere. Alright. Guys, I can't turn my camera off. I see me and Roshi. We get to meet the fam. Or the tree dancing. Guys, yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video. Remember to like, to subscribe, to share, drop your comments down below if you care. And of course, it's your girl Roxy. You know what we're doing. We're taking over Rose and Lauren's vlog like we always do. Every day.